Imagine a world where every teenager is the CEO of their own little company. Let's call this place TeenTopia. In TeenTopia, instead of regular school subjects, every student must choose a product to create or service to provide and learn how to manage a business around it. Take Sarah, for instance, a 14-year-old girl who loves baking cookies. One day in TeenTopia, she decides to turn her passion into a business, Sarah's Sweet Sensations. Initially, Sarah just wants to make delicious cookies, but soon, she discovers that running a business involves much more than just baking. Firstly, Sarah needs to understand the concept of resource management, one of the core lessons in management studies. She starts by calculating how many cookies she can bake with the ingredients she has: flour, sugar, and chocolate chips. But then, what if she runs out? How does she ensure that she doesn't spend all her savings on chocolate chips alone? This is where strategic management kicks in. Sarah learns to negotiate with suppliers for better prices, searches for alternative ingredients that cost less but still maintain quality. She also uses mathematical skills to balance her books and keep track of her profits. Now comes the exciting part: marketing her brand. Sarah imagines if everyone in TeenTopia could taste her cookie. She designs colorful flyers and even creates a catchy jingle for her business, which spreads like wildfire among her peers. But success brings challenges too. Other budding teen entrepreneurs in TeenTopia see the popularity, Sarah's Sweet Sensations, and start their cookie businesses. Competition gets tough. Here's where organizational behavior plays its role. Sarah knows that to stay ahead, she must keep her team motivated. Yes, she has a few friends helping her now. She learns about leadership styles and decides that being democratic works best. Asking for input from a team about new flavors or packaging ideas keep them engaged and creative. Then one day, an unexpected order comes. The mayor of TeenTopia wants 1,000 cookies for an upcoming event. It's an enormous opportunity, but also a huge challenge. Does Sarah have enough manpower? Can she scale up production without compromising quality? This scenario teaches her project management under pressure. In facing these challenges, Sarah and all students in TeenTopia learn critical thinking, problem-solving skills, teamwork, and resilience. They find ways creatively around limitations and surprises, which are crucial aspects of managing any successful venture. Now imagine if our schools today were more like TeenTopia, as we explore through Sarah's journey from baking enthusiast to savvy business owner, all wrapped in thrilling challenges and innovative solutions. Wouldn't you be curious to dive deeper into management studies? To see what mysteries lie in managing resources efficiently or leading a team effectively? What new products might you dream up? What services could revolutionize your school or community? In such a world, perhaps every lesson would feel just as exciting as launching Sarah's Sweet Sensation. So think about it. What if your classroom was your boardroom? What adventures in learning would you embark upon next?